Hi guys, welcome back to my channel if you guys are new here. Hi, my name is Sydney. I film cruelty-free beauty videos 3 times a week. Today's video is really exciting because I am filming a project pan introduction video, and I already have a normal project pan going, but I thought it would be fun to start a skincare project pan. It's never something that I've attempted to do before, but I was looking through my bathroom earlier today and I was kind of like, you know what? I kind of want to use these things up and get them out of there because I do receive a little bit of skincare PR from Pixi, but I'm also just kind of realizing, like, you know what, I want to simplify my routine. I've tried some things that haven't really worked out for me or that I feel like may be going bad soon, and I just want to get them out of here, but I would like to use them up beforehand. So this project is going to run from now until the end of the year. It's just going to be a little short one. I think maybe a shorter project pan may be better for me. I have all sorts of thoughts about shorter project pans for next year, which I'm hoping to film kind of a get ready with me video about soon. I'm going to link that down below if it's already up by the time this video goes up, because I'm not sure when I'm going to put it up, honestly. But today I thought it would be fun to introduce the products that I want to pan or use up and kind of talk about what my goals are for each product. So if you guys are interested in hearing any of that, just keep watching. So just like my normal project pan, I do plan on keeping track of the uses that I use of these products and also writing down any goals that I may have for these products. I haven't done that quite yet with my regular project pan, but it's something that I hope to implement this next month. So let's get into the products that I want to use up. So the first one that I would like to use up, or at least make significant progress on, is the VIC Liquid Gold Cleansing Oil. So when I first received this in PR, disclaimer, I did receive this in PR, I loved it. I was raving about it on Instagram, and I think I even made a post about it. This is a great cleansing oil. It does a really great job of removing my makeup, but it does contain coconut oil, which I believe irritates my skin and causes a little bit of acne. So I've just been using this very sparingly around the eyes. I'm not sure if I could get through this entire bottle because it is quite full, but I would at least like to get down to like right here. So maybe I'll have to make a notation and see if I can meet that goal by the end of the year. Again, I really only use this when I do like super intense eye looks, like maybe today, or when I'm trying to remove waterproof mascara, which is the one that I am going through right now. So maybe between those two, I'll be able to make that goal. But for now, I think I'd like to set a goal of at least 15 uses with this product in the next month. Next up, we have the Pixi Vitamin C Skin Treats Tonic, and this is just the toner that I'm using right now, but it does have vitamin C in it, and I know that all skincare products go bad, but I feel like vitamin C goes bad faster than everything else. I could be totally wrong. I'm really not that sure on skincare, but I would really like to get this used up and out of my collection before it expires because I want to get use out of these products. So here's where we are at right now. We're about right there. I want this totally gone by the end of this project. I feel like that's very, very feasible because I use toner pretty much daily, sometimes twice a day. Not a lot of the time, but occasionally I do use it twice a day. So I think I would like to make a goal of at least 20, let's do 25 uses of this product, just in case I have some weird off nights where I don't use it. But I think maybe even 25 uses would do it. What do you guys think? It might do it. I feel like I kind of use a lot of this when I use it, but that's what I'd like to do for this product. Next, we have another Pixi Skin Treats item, and this is the Pixi Skin Treats Vitamin C Caviar Balm. Like I said, I'm afraid that these vitamin C products are expiring. I've had them since, I feel like June or July. So it's been a little while, and I've had them open. I've been using them, but not like consistently, not every day. So I do want to make sure that I'm getting lots of use out of them and using them up before they're expiring. So I'm down to about right here on this one. So I have quite a bit left, and I think it'll be really, not easy, but it's definitely feasible to use this by the end of the year. I tend to use this maybe twice a week, 2 or 3 times a week. I know you're not supposed to use it every single night, and I find that it's not really a heavy enough moisturizer for me to use it every single night. So I kind of just use it on nights when I have a little bit of extra time to let this sink in and then apply a heavy duty moisturizer on top. So I'd really like to use this one. I'm going to make a goal of using it, let's say 12 times. That's what, like 3 times a week this month? So let's make a goal of 12 times for this product. The final product that I want to throw into this product is the Morning Facial Moisturizing Lotion. This is from the Up & Up brand, which is just Target's in-house brand, but it's supposed to be like a dupe for the CeraVe AM Moisturizing Lotion. Honestly, you guys, I bought a backup of this, and I kind of wish that I didn't because this is the backup that I'm trying to get through. But this product just is really not my favorite anymore, and I don't think it's cruelty free. I'm not sure if the Up & Up house brand is cruelty free or not, But this one just really is not my cup of tea anymore. It works fine on days where I'm not wearing makeup, but if I am wearing makeup or if I want to apply something on top and I want to like rub it in, I find that this does pill quite a bit on my skin, which can be really annoying. And I would really like to switch to something that is cruelty-free because if you guys didn't know, I went cruelty-free a couple months ago and I'm slowly kind of working that into my skincare. I have stopped buying cruelty-free makeup altogether, but skincare is a bit of a slower process. I'm trying to use up what I have before I jump in and buy all new stuff. But that's actually going to wrap it up for me today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and are excited for this new project pan, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys don't miss any updates that I may have. I will link my regular project pan down below if you guys are in a project panning watching kind of mood. I know that I get in these modes where I'm just like, oh, I want to watch all the panning videos, and I'm feeling so inspired to just pan and use up products right now, so I'm really, really excited to start this little project off. Before you guys go, let me know down below if you've ever tried to pan skincare. Like, I know people do a lot of makeup project pans, but I feel like skincare project pans are less popular, so let me know if you guys have ever done one of these, and if you haven't done one, let me know what was the last skincare product you used up, and if you loved it, if you hated it. I love trying new skincare. I've really gotten into it this year and it's been really awesome to kind of experiment and try new things. So let me know all of that down below and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!